At Kennedy Space Center, NASA has been laying the foundation for resource-based construction and future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. They successfully tested the Regolith Advanced Surface Systems Operations Robot, or RASR for short. This field test highlighted RASR's ability to dig up soil that closely resembles lunar conditions. With its twin counter-rotating buckets, RASR's main job is to gather and transport lunar regolith, which is packed with essential resources like oxygen, hydrogen, and water, crucial for life support and fuel production. This design boosts the robot's stability and digging efficiency in low-gravity settings, allowing it to work effectively on the Moon without slipping, a vital feature for excavation in such challenging environments. The insights gained from this test will inform the development of NASA's next-generation excavation robot, the In-Situ Resource Utilization Pilot Excavator, IPX. This new robot is anticipated to be more autonomous, powerful, and capable of handling larger amounts of regolith, up to 10 metric tons during an 11-day mission, a significant leap from earlier systems that could only manage kilograms. If all goes well, these technologies could greatly ease the logistical challenges of off-Earth missions, representing a significant step toward establishing a sustainable economy beyond our planet.